The cabin filter is located on the passenger side of the vehicle, behind the glove box. Open the glove box. Unhook the dampener arm. Push in on both sides of the glove box to release the stops. Lower the glove box. Unclip both sides of the housing cover to remove it. Remove the old filter and clean out the excess debris in the housing. Insert your new filter into the housing, with its airflow indicating arrow pointing down. Reclip the housing door. Reinstall the stoppers. Reinstall the dampener arm. Close the glove box.
Order your parts today at filterheads.com. Also, please like our video and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new content.